going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be at Copart checking out Dodge Hellcats with D.I.Y gang. D.I.Y gang is looking to buy one to rebuild on his channel. He does everything from framework to painting and even assembling all the parts. I also just bought a car myself from Copart and I'm really excited for it. I'm going to be getting it in a few days. Let me know what you think it is. The only hint I'm going to give you guys is that it has a V6 supercharged engine, so please leave your guesses in the comments. If you like this video and want to see more, make sure you like it and subscribe to see more. I've got a lot of really awesome videos coming soon. This place is loaded with cars. So many cars here.
That's a rollover. That's a definite rollover.
That's insane.
Yeah, this freaking ice, look at that. Oh!
This is crazy. Yep, here it is. Here it is. Yep. Hit in the front.
Okay, so let's see the engine. The back is straight. Hey, the read in here, bro? Let's see what's going on here. The rebar pressed,
Rebar.
Yeah, the rebar is smashed. This arm is no good. Replaced.
So we can't even rev this thing, right?
No, I don't think this is gonna be.
Because the radiator is
the
busted
radiator
on
shot,
this one.
Yeah, so if the radiator shot, then
Yeah.
No, this thing is shot, and it's gonna spit out hella oil too because.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no, I don't even.
No, I don't, yeah, we don't want to break this thing. Oh, and look, no coolant, right?
Well, it's not even just the fact that there's no coolant. It's down here, like it's completely obliterated at the
Oh,
bottom.
yeah.
So it's not holding any coolant in the system.
Yeah.
Sometimes it could be empty up there, but if it has at least half over here, we'd be straight. But unfortunately, we don't. So this beauty is not gonna be able to get started. And
Let me take a look inside.
kind of bummed because this door is damaged too. This quarter panel is damaged.
Bags blown.
Yeah. Seats blown. Yeah, the airbag's blown. The fan is damaged.
Even the seat bag is blown.
What's the bid on this thing right now?
I have no idea.
I think it was at like I mean, you know, I'm not even looking at the safe money right now. Dude, if I can win that one freaking, oh my god, dude. If I can win that other one, dude, and get a good price on it.
The one in Georgia?
No, the one. Dude, that would be so freaking.
You're trying to get.
Yeah,
Oh, it's locked, yeah. Man, what a shame. I want to get this thing going. Yeah, this thing's smashed. I mean, Goon Squad could fix this up like they always do, but that rail is hit hard. That rail is shifted.
Yeah, you pull it out. All you gotta do is really just honestly pull on that rail and then lift up, like just measure from the other side. Just get both the measurements like on the frame machine straight, and then you can get a cutout for that one. Check the other rail and see if it's actually twisted with that one.
The other rail looks fine.
The other rail looks fine.
There's a crack though on the radiator support.
Well, the radiator support that gets replaced anyways.
Yeah.
That's nothing. So
This wheel is out of alignment, that's for sure.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's what you gotta fix. I don't want my phone coming to see really big. Super stoked that they brought me out here. This is like my first time here and this is great. I'm definitely stoked and I'm definitely amped on wanting to buy a Hellcat now. Like just seeing the other one run, unfortunately we can't get this one running, so it's kind of like it just makes me want the other one that much more bad. So yeah, man, I'm gonna definitely put a bid on it. It's not up for sale yet, luckily, so you know it's a future, so I can finish what I have right now and get everything cleared out, and hopefully you guys, D.I.Y gang, might be having a Hellcat come to the garage.
You're looking to get the one in look.
This is
And you
like
got a frame machine that's nothing for you. That's what you do on a daily.
legitimate frame machine, dude. I've been doing this for years. It's just go check out the channel. The last one was just, that's child's play. That's a walk in the park. But you guys are actually gonna see real content of stuff actually getting fixed. And if the car does sell for what I'm thinking, I might have the cheapest Hellcat point blank period. There's not gonna be no arguing because that thing is mashed up. So we are gonna have other nice cars. We don't want to just get stuck on one car. We want to make it fun for you guys and not be stagnant. So we're definitely gonna just look at mangled, really nice cars that basically the average, well, to me basically, can't afford if we try to go buy it elsewhere. But guess what? We can buy them smashed and fix them ourselves. And guess what? We'll have nice freaking fast cars and have fun in them. So D.I.Y game, baby.
How much you think it's gonna go for?
It's at 6 right now. Well, I don't know. Let me check if they refreshed it. Because remember I told you they dropped the price on it?
What's the value of them?
Like 60, 70,000.
Dang, dude, that's a lot.
50,000 salvage, like after repair.
Was
like
the Hellcat up there supercharged or no?
I think it was.
Yeah, Yep. Every Hellcat is supercharged. It's 6.2 supercharged. That's what makes them Hellcats. These things are freaking beasts. But yeah, dude, like, yeah, dude. I don't know, bro.